What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see here in this video, this is my cousin Richard's car, the one we got not too long ago. I think since I haven't posted, it's like the last other video I did. But as you can see here, we're actually moving forward on this car, trying to get it done as quickly as I can, because unfortunately I am moving. I'll be taking this ugly thing, and since I'm moving, you got to take advantage that I'm leaving soon. So we're just trying to knock this thing out as fast as possible. Some of the things we're just going to do is like the black door panels. That one's already installed. We're wrapping the car red. We're going to install the carbon fiber M4 style wing from MaxPeedingRods. They hooked us up there, so I'll show you guys that. Quality is insane on that. And then on the side, behind the scenes, I already did the rear shocks. I did the brake boots, or the brake shims for the emergency brake, so now that works. We did an oil change. I checked his car over. He doesn't have any check engine lights or anything. He doesn't need anything, so we haven't done anything there. We went and got his recalls done at BMW. He got the blower motor recall, so now his AC works, and he got the PCV heater. So I mean, it's just going to be small things, I guess, to get this thing going. But regardless, a fully wrapped car, a fully red car with the M4 wing and the black wheels, it'll look clean enough. All right, so we got this front left fender. I did the hood, came out pretty good. This red is actually really glossy. It's actually pretty insane. It kind of makes me mad because this is really dusty right now, but it almost looks glossier than that one. So this is Avery, that's 3M. So we did the hood, front left fender, front left door, left rear door, and then just today the rest of the wrap showed up. So they're getting this trunk ready. They sanded this and they filled these two holes because they were putting that old wing in. They screwed into the trunk, so he's repairing that. He's gonna pull the tail lights off, sand this whole thing, get it ready for wrap. I'm gonna do both the quarter panels, these two front right doors. This all looks like this because he's sanding, because the previous owner did a paint job where I think they literally rattle can like the whole car or something, because there's a lot of overspray and it's just really bad. Like, let me show you here. So like here, I don't know if you can tell here, but this headlight is actually painted black too up here. So they just did not care. So now we have to lightly sand this or polish off, take off all the paint. I'm gonna take all this paint off. Overspray city everywhere, like this for example. See that? They left this on and they sprayed it. So horrible job, but we're slowly knocking it out. And first things first, we're gonna take this trunk, wrap the trunk first, wrap both sections, and then throw that spoiler on so it looks insane. And then basically just sanding everything, so in the next couple of days I can knock out all the wrapping. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna make sure we get this done tonight, so I can wrap this tonight at least, because we're both pretty excited to throw that wing on. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. And throw the wing on, get all this overspray off, and then get this trunk looking A1. All right, so we're over here. We got this sanding going on here. We got the trunk sanded, we got this bottom section sanded, nice and smooth. Now we're working on the last tail fin section here. We ran out of light, so we're using my light, but after that we should be good to go. We're gonna put it in the garage over there, and we'll be able to wrap hopefully the whole trunk, and then throw the spoiler on. Might as well, once we get it wrapped, just for looks. And then tomorrow we'll work on the bumper, quarter panels, and continue on. But sadly this car had really bad paint, but it kind of doesn't matter because this wrap jobs are coming out pretty good actually. We're pretty happy with the results. And at the end of the day, for such a cheap car, paint doesn't matter. We'll throw some wrap on it real cheap, and then call it a day. All right guys, here we got the fully sanded piece. As you can see, it looks pretty good. I mean, it feels smooth as could be. That's all we care about. And then hopefully we got every single piece of little clear coat that might come off. And then that way we throw the wrap up top, bottom, throw the badge back on, and throw on that MaxPeedingRod spoiler. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just like that, after struggling for a little while. What is that, a spider? Is that a turd? I can't tell. We got the rear trunk wrapped. Looks pretty good if you ask me. We got the carbon fiber rear spoiler on. Shout out to MaxPeedingRods for sending us out. Fitment is amazing, as you can see here. The edge is perfectly there. The edge along there is good. Comes with 3M tape. This is the M4 style. The carbon weave is real carbon. It looks really good, and it really shines against the red, as you can see there. That thing looks insane. So once again, huge shout out to MaxPeedingRods for hooking us up with this rear spoiler. I'll put the link down below in the description. You guys can check them out. Like I said, I know they make some things that some people don't stand by, but like the spoilers, for example, you're not gonna get any better quality. You know what I mean? People say, oh, I got better quality. How do you have better quality than perfect fitment and perfect weave? I don't understand. Maybe I guess durability, but I'm not too sure. For the price you pay for this, I can't complain, because this is like 3 times cheaper than some people reselling them. So like I said, if you want to get a cheap one that looks good, feels good, good to go, hit that link below. If not, you're on your own. But we do have the tail lights in too. We polished those. Those are looking good. We got rid of all the overspray, and then we put this random M3 plate I have. And then yeah, I mean, slowly but surely tomorrow I'm gonna do both the right rear doors, probably do the left front fender. I have to do both quarter panels, and then the rear bumper and the front bumper, they need to be done. But my brother has to sand some of this crappy paint off of it and get them ready to wrap, and after that they'll be ready to go there. So yeah, like I said, I figured I'd post this real quick, show you guys an update on this car. I'm leaving in about 10 days, so I have less than 10 days to pack everything I have in my garage, get a trailer for my car, load a moving truck, all this stuff, and then finish this car. So hopefully we should be done by then, so the next video will come up pretty quick. But I had to post this video, do the trunk at least, show you guys how far we've gotten, and then install this spoiler from MaxPeedingRods. So that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.